coronavirus has had a massive impact on our lives and in a way that we've never seen before. Superior Healthcare support children, young people and adults with complex health needs, and we've been working on the front line of this pandemic. With over 500 nurses and carers in the field, hundreds of clients and over 50 office staff, we had to quickly and drastically change the way we worked to continue to provide the healthcare our clients rely on more than ever. This is our story from the front line.
Superior Healthcare had been tracking the progress of the infection, and at the beginning of March our leadership team started to meet weekly to review our preparations and readiness and our response to the coronavirus.
It's been a massive challenge to the whole of the healthcare industry. It's been a moving feast on a daily basis, things changing all the time.
We felt it was really important that we eliminated risk wherever we could. We've been able to move our entire team away from the office at pace and at scale. That included procuring a number of additional laptops, moving our telephone system into the cloud, and making sure that we had facilities to communicate.
Just wanted to say thank you to Superior Healthcare for providing me with all the tools that I need. We've been working really hard behind the scenes to get the correct PPE. We've been reducing footfall. Communication's really strong between our clients.
A number of our staff have been required to self-isolate or shield because of an underlying health condition. The remaining members of our team have really stepped up to the plate, covering additional shifts and making sure that our clients' care packages are filled in their entirety.
So we haven't had any shifts uncovered, it's been marvellous. We have been given antibacterial wipes, we've been given more gloves, hand gel, the nurses are wiping everything down, so it's all disinfected and clean. So we haven't had to worry during COVID-19.
The availability of PPE is a known issue throughout the country. Superior Healthcare had an initial stock of PPE, and at an early stage we decided to procure additional kits that we would send out to our clients' homes.
I feel very supported, and that Superior Healthcare are doing everything they can to keep both clients and colleagues safe during this pandemic.
Superior Healthcare recognises how important and how far our carers and nurses are going to ensure that our clients' care packages and also the shifts in local care homes are filled, and we feel that it's vitally important that we support them.
We've managed to keep the number of carers down to maybe just 3 or 4. We just go straight to our homes at the end of our shift. We reduce where we go.
Me and another carer are currently in 14 days isolation. We're staying at an Airbnb, and we are going to be staying here for the duration of the pandemic to be on hand to still provide care for our client.
In response to the coronavirus, we not only had to adapt our current services, but develop whole new ones to meet the healthcare needs of those in the community who are most vulnerable.
Superior Healthcare has set up a companionship service, and so we have a number of our carers that are visiting clients at home to support them with chores around the house, to ensure that they have their shopping, that they have food prepared, that prescriptions are collected, and to generally provide company. This hopefully alleviates the isolation for many people, and also places the minds of family members at rest. Superior Healthcare has also converted a number of our existing clients' care packages into living care packages. This means that we have a minimal number of people passing through our clients' homes and therefore minimising the risk of infection. We've also seen an increasing number of inquiries to new living care packages where people are concerned that they may have lots of people passing in and out of their homes, and we're actively setting up new living care packages.
At Superior Healthcare, it is our staff who make us who we are. We are here because of the dedication and commitment of all of our nurses, carers and office teams who have pulled together in a phenomenal way.
Everybody's helping each other out, and long may that continue.
The efforts and contribution that our carers and nurses are making to supporting our vulnerable clients is simply overwhelming. They're going above and beyond, putting themselves on the front line at what is an incredibly worrying time for them and for their families. And I just can't say how thankful Superior Healthcare is for everybody's contribution.
Coronavirus is far from over, but we are still here, delivering exceptional care to vulnerable individuals in our community. Thank you so much to our nurses and carers going out day after day, and to our office team right behind them, supporting them every step of the way.